Let's go.
Guys, so I'm back with another one of the Outre Sleeklay part wigs. This one is called the Vernisha, and I have her in the color MC Gold Caramel Splash. Now I think this is the first time I've gotten this color, MC Gold Caramel Splash. I think this is something new, but this is what it looks like. I kind of like the color. It does give me that gold vibe in there. You kind of see a little bit of a 613 in there as well, so the color is really nice. It's a left side part wig. It's an HD transparent lace wig, so I did go in with my Ebin New York lace and spray up front, and I know you can see the lace right here. Now I hate when you can see that, and I know sometimes I just ignore it, but I went in with my Ebin New York lace and spray. I also went in with some foundation powder. I tried to like cover it up, but it's still showing, so I don't know what's going on here. Like, according to how I turn, you wouldn't see it, but then, you know, when I do this, you definitely see that. But anyway, it comes with baby hairs along the entire hairline, so you can use that if you want to. The hairline is pre-plucked, but not that great, so I would advise you to go in and tweeze it some more if you want it to look more natural and stuff like that. I love the fact that you can pull the whole hair, like the hairline itself, away from your face, and you can get that, you know, crisp hairline look if you were to pre-pluck it. So I love that about it. But anyway, like I said, this is the left side part wig, and it comes with a little bit of a bang area going here, and the bang has somewhat of a lift to it. Now that's one thing I don't really like about the wig. Not so much the lift. I don't mind a bang with a little lift, but I don't like the fact that this comes with a lot of filler hairs. So there's so many filler hairs underneath. If you're not careful, you will be able to see it. Now if you were to add heat to it, I think you would have to add heat to the entire thing just to keep the filler hairs down, because sometimes it tends to protrude through the hair, so you would see that. So you just have to be very careful when styling the wig and stuff like that. And even when you're out, when the wind blows, like if you don't take care of that filler hairs, you know, you could be clocked a little bit, so be very careful. Now with the cap, you have two combs up front, one at the back, the adjustable straps. It's a regular cap construction, about medium in cap size. Like I said, this is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you could add heat. The stock card looks really pretty. Well, it looks pretty on the model, I should say. Even this color right here, I think this is a ginger copper color, looks really pretty. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. I will link it in the description box for your convenience. But thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you soon. Bye.